Simple equations. In this lesson we will learn about equations as balances and how to keep things in balance, and solving equations using the balance method, although most of this will be done in later lessons. So equations as balances and how to keep things in balance. So what we're saying here is that this is in balance because we've got the same weight on this pan as we do on this pan. So what sorts of things could we do to keep them in balance? Well, I could easily put another x on this side, provided I put one on this side. I've added the same weight to both pans. Let's just get rid of those again, so we go back to where we were. I could get an extra 1 and put it on this side, provided I put an extra 1 on this side. If I add the same weight to both pans, it stays in balance. Let's get rid of those and go back to the original. Now this does not really qualify as a simple equation. This is quite a complicated equation. But let's look at how we could solve it. What is the equation at the moment? We've got 3x's on one side. On the other side we've got 2x's and we've got 3. So, do the same thing to both sides. We can take an x off there, provided we take one off of there. And what equation are we left with? We've now got 2x's on the left and a single x and a 3 on the right. If I remove another x from here and remove this one from here, then I have that x is equal to 3. And that's the equation solved. X must be the same as 3. Consider the scales shown. What would we have to do to keep it in balance if we added a square to the right-hand scale pan? So here's a square, and if we pop that on the right-hand scale pan, then it's only going to stay in balance if we add the same square onto the left-hand pan. So if we put a square on the right-hand pan, we have to put the same square on the left-hand pan, always doing the same to both sides.